In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal payments to Shopify. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the bottom left side of the screen and click Settings. This opens your store settings, where Shopify keeps the main setup options for things like checkout, billing, and payments. In the Settings menu, click Payments. You'll now be on the Payments page. This page is where Shopify shows your available payment options, including Shopify payments, additional payment methods, and manual payment methods. On this screen, you should also see PayPal listed as one of the available payment options. To begin connecting it, go to the PayPal section and click Activate PayPal. After that, look to the lower right corner and click Activate again to continue. This starts the PayPal connection process directly from Shopify. A PayPal login window will open. In the email field, enter your PayPal business account email address. Take a moment to type it in carefully, since this is the account Shopify will connect to for PayPal payments. Once the email is entered, select your country or region from the list shown on the screen. Then click Next. If you do not already have a PayPal business account, PayPal will prompt you to create one before you can continue. If you already have your own account, scroll down to the bottom of the PayPal window and click Sign In. This takes you to the regular PayPal sign-in flow for an existing account. From here, log into your PayPal account normally. Enter your account details in the PayPal login fields. Continue through the sign-in screen, and then click Sign Up when prompted in the connection flow. This completes the authorization between PayPal and your Shopify store, so Shopify can use that account for payments. Once the setup is finished, your PayPal payment method is added to Shopify and ready to use to the connected account. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's the full process for adding PayPal payments to Shopify. You open Shopify, go into Settings, then Payments, find the PayPal section, activate it, log into the PayPal window, and complete the connection using your business account. After that, PayPal is linked to your store through Shopify's payment settings, and the setup is complete.